G'day guys, welcome back to Fading Margins. I'm sitting on the boot of my car. Day's turned out really nice, and as it happens, I was going walking with my mate on Friday, but he piked. He had a bad tummy, and but I left everything in the car, and I left my shorts in my work bag. So I'm now in my shorts, and I've got to call the supermarket. We'll grab something for lunch, and we'll go up top of the hill. I'll show you the hill in a sec. And we'll have a little walk. I don't know how much this is going to come out because it's really windy, but if you're happy to watch a rough and ready, this is what it'll be. Talk to you in a bit. Alright, this might be a bit difficult to hear, but if you look out there, here, where's my hand there? Look out there, you'll see a monument, or it was supposed to be a monument. They ran out of money or something before they put the statue on top. Wellington. We're going to go up there. Alright guys, we've arrived. You can see people milling around. That's the sea over the back of that wall. And we're going up there. So this should be a hoot. I've got a loaf of bread, I've got tea. And John Muir would be proud. I've even got a tin of pork. I'll catch up with you in a bit. Well, not as fit as I used to be. I will fix that. But as you're going along, you've got an eye. Nice to see. This is some sort of clematis or vine, and that is Class A tinder limit. Won't need it today, but always nice to know you can spot it if you're looking for it. It's moving up and down a bit. I'm hoping when we get up to the top there, the path will turn left and start making a serious attempt at actually getting to the top of this mountain. Did I say mountain? So I'm overstating it in a big way. Alright. Here's the last rampart, the last ditch I think, on this side. You see it's built up on there and here. All the way around through Snowdonia there, and a sunny Aberystwyth. Yeah, look at that. A meal of champions. Let's try that again. Well, fellas, the tea's brewed and wind's in my ear, sun is shining. I'm a happy boy. And I've had some tinned pork meat, a couple of slices of bread. Met some nice people. Not fleetingly. The best way, you know, like enjoy the view. Oh, thanks very much. And that's the end of that. Anyway, you're probably not going to hear any of this because of the wind. But it's nice to say I will catch you all on the next one, and wish you all Godspeed. Bye.